Talking the Talk, page 62.
Here are two dialogues. The first one is a formal talk between an accounting professor, Dr. Sam, and her student, Sarah. The second conversation occurs between two friends, Tina and Sarah. Sarah needs information about a wide variety of subjects, about banking and marketing. Note that the spoken Persian is different from the written Persian. The spoken forms are underlined, and the written forms are in parentheses.
سلام. حال شما چطوره؟
سلام، ممنونم. شما چطورین؟
خوبم. ممنون.
Later, they talk about the most important issues. Now, she wants to leave the office.
دکتر سام، روزتون بخیر. خدا حافظ.
خدا حافظ.
Tina and Sarah are two classmates. They meet each other on the street.
سلام سارا، چطوری؟
سلام تینا. بد نیستم. تو چطوری؟
خوبم.